I able to measure the percentage of users that are returning on my app per quarter?
So that would be, I think, the retention chart and then bringing it by quarterly. I think that would be a good case for that. So a new user, you could leave that or swap it. And then if you want to have a more meaningful event, you could also do that. And then you switch here to quarterly. And then you'll have users that are coming back per quarter. And you could be more deliberate if you want on what you want to set as the time period. If you have a even longer history, you could extend this even further. Is that helpful? Is that the direction you were looking for?
But one thing with this one, so I think this one, correct me if I'm wrong, it's comparing, for example, the users who first started in quarter zero and how many of them came back in quarter one. So what if I want it in the same quarter, the ones who first used the app this quarter and they returned again this quarter? Like if I want to do it per quarter, is it also possible?
So new users that are coming within Q1, let's say, for this year, and if they have returned within that quarter,
Yes, exactly.
you can define it. I think the question would there be what time period is it? Like, for example, if somebody comes in the very end of the quarter and then a day after they return, and so you have to define some kind of duration afterwards. It could be monthly. I guess the analytics problem would be if you have somebody in January 1st who arrives there and then has a second session on January 2nd, would that count as a user who returned within the quarter? So that's, I think, something to be mindful of. What retention window are you setting?
Okay, I see. Thanks.